What's up, my fellow traders? Hope you're all having an awesome day. A quick update here on net gas, gold, silver, crude oil, starting with natural gas. So what do we have right here? So if you have been following me from last couple of weeks, then you know that I've been mentioning that we are still bullish and the price can still push higher, at least to this recent levels. Now, in my yesterday's video, clearly mentioned if we are broken and close above this little anchor, which is right here, as you can see these two horizontal lines. In that case, we can start to look for the pullback entry bullish. Right here, this candle must close above this high, which is right here, and this anchor line right here. So if that happens, once we have closed, not just a wick, the body must close above. Once that happens, I'll just look at the normal pullback above 50 EMA, followed by bullish engulfer, and then I'm gonna go long and keep on taking longs as long as price makes another high until the price hit this level of major resistance, which is a trend resistance, not a level of resistance, which is right here, as you can see this channel. The upper channel price gonna hit, then we can see some pullbacks and then a continuation. That is something I'm expecting. Once broken above this trend line, only then I'm going to start to look for the upper level of resistance, which I'm going to mention in my upcoming videos. For now, let's wait and see if this candle closes above this previous high. Once that happens, start to look for the pullback. Retracement is expected then above 50 EMA. If you have an entry condition like bullish engulfing pattern, I will go long using 1 ATR for my initial targets, and then you can manage to 2 ATR, and it's totally up to you. Want to manage your trades till this recent trend line by moving your stop loss to break even. Here on capital.com, exactly the same. Let this candle break and close above this little anchor. Once that happens, just a pullback above 50 EMA followed by bullish engulfer, a valid pullback entry. If you are my student, you know what valid entry it is. Then we're going to go long from here and keep on taking longs as long as price makes new highs and pullback followed by bullish engulfing pattern. So once it's closed, we can then look at the pullback entry bullish. On a 1 day as well, exactly here, this anchor is a little bit higher. 3.871 is an area from where I want to see a break, a complete close as well. Once that happens, just a pullback above 50 EMA, bullish engulfer, and we're going to go long. We have a nice gap in the EMA on daily and 4 hour means we are in a strong uptrend and price can still push higher, possibly to the next level of major resistance. But expect the price to push up to this recent highs at least, from where expect a retracement and then a continuation. For now, as we are above 50 and 20 EMA, once closed, pullback above 50 EMA, bullish engulfing pattern is something I'll be looking at. If it closed above these highs, then I can still start to look for my pullback entry bullish above 50 EMA if you have a valid entry pattern. Next up, we have gold. Gold is pushing up, just broke above the previous highs, means we are now in a process of a retracement. That is fine and that is good. Above 50 EMA, expect more retracement that can possibly hit 50 EMA. Once that happens, bullish engulfer, my pullback entry is something I'll be looking at and keep on taking longs. $11 will be my target according to the ATR, as you can see right here. So once the price forms a bullish engulfer either on 4 hour or on 1 hour. Bullish engulfing pattern, once we have that above 50 EMA on 1 hour time frame, the targets will be $5 or so. Bullish engulfer is something I'll be looking at above 50 EMA for my possible entries, and 1 ATR will be my initial target. So keep an eye. Only buy trades for gold. We're expecting a price to push up from here, but with a valid entry conditions. Silver right here is now have retested the anchor or a neckline of this double bottom pattern. Break above the neckline. Now we are pulling back. All I want to see a valid bullish engulfing pattern. The break itself is an entry which is very aggressive entry. In that case, I'll keep my stop loss below and take profit. You can go 1.4 to 1, initially 1 to 1. Right here at the break, stop loss below the neckline, something like this. 1 to 1 looks something like this. Or if you want to go till the zone, which is 1.4 to 1, that looks something like this. So for aggressive traders, we have an entry right at the break. For less aggressive entry, wait for the price to form a bullish engulfing pattern above 50 EMA or at this neckline. Keep an eye, we have a buy signal here. Price can likely to push up from here out of silver. Here on crude oil, nicely pushed up, a nice bullish engulfer. Now, as mentioned yesterday, aggressive entry was triggered here, and then we have a deep retracement. Now we have a pullback entry bullish. Now it's not valid here, but it is valid on my platform, which is IC market, where I personally take my trades, and on Oanda as well. But on IC market, that's valid as well. And looking at that hit 1 ATR target, more than 1 ATR target easily. So for now, just buy trades. We can see a possible push up for the next pullback entry. I want to see a break above these highs. Only then I want to see a pullback and bullish engulfing pattern. If you're managing this trade from this bullish engulfer, you're good to manage these trades to these recent highs. Exit here and look for the next condition, which is a break above. If that happens, pullback and bullish engulfer. If you are an aggressive trader who's already in the trade, right from 50% retracement, then 1.618 retracement is something I'm expecting a price to get to 76.66, from where we can see a possible push down. So let's see how this goes. We have a good entry condition from the zone that was sent to the members as well with a bullish candle. Double bottom is something still in the play if the price pulls back to this zone again. So that is it for today's analysis. Hope you got a value. If yes, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.